Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not in my normal filming location right now just because I had to move out of my house. My lease ended and I'm staying at my boyfriend's house until I can move into the place that I'm moving next. So that's why the background is different. It's gonna look different once I move too, but it's not gonna be all dark and messy, and the light is kind of weird just because it's not my normal setup. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Boxycharm and my Ipsy bag for the month of August. Man, I can't believe it's August already. So I'm first going to start off with my Boxycharm. So the first thing I have is these House of Lashes in Sweet Romance. These are really pretty. They're not like too dramatic, and I heard that House of lashes are really good, so I'm excited to try these. And then the next thing I have is this Ipsy Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. So this is something that I probably won't be using that much just because I like never paint my nails or like care about my nails, which I should probably start doing, but it's just like a lot of work that I don't have time for, you know what I mean? And then the next thing I have is this Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick, and this is in the shade Headliner. And it's really pretty. It's like an orangey pinky red kind of. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a more toned down red almost. And then the next thing I have is this Bang Beauty gel eyeliner, and this is in the shade Chocolate. It looks nice. I'm not a huge fan of like brown eyeliner. Now the next thing I have is this Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, and I opened this up before and I did use the orange shade, kind of try to test it out, but this palette, like, you guys, I cannot like use this. Like, the orange shade was okay, like it was kind of hard to blend, but like this, like, it's a yellow, but it's almost like lime green, and it's like when am I ever going to use that? I mean, the blues are nice, I will admit. I wish that the pink was matte. It's like sparkly, because I could probably use the pink like somewhere, but it's just, you know, not ideal. I heard that there was like a bronze Laura Lee palette that was in like a different version of this Boxycharm, and that's the one I wish I had gotten because I don't think that I'll be getting a lot of use out of this. Now the last thing I have in this box is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and you get 3 of them, so that's really nice. We actually got like 6 things in this Boxycharm, so that's a really good value, I guess. Now for my Ipsy bag. I like this month's bag. I just, like I said multiple times before, I wish that like the Ipsy thing went away, like not even on the zippers or anything. I just want it gone, you know. So got the selfie with no filter, and again, the products aren't listed on this little card, but there are products from the Ipsy shopper. Like, they could include that, but they can't include the products that you're actually getting. I don't know. So the first thing I have is this Pixie Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. This is really pretty. It's kind of sparkly though. I don't know how often I'll be using it just because I don't really like sparkly blushes that much. There is like a shade like there that I might be able to use as like a highlight or something. I mean, I'll try it out, but usually I don't like sparkly blushes. Now the next thing I have is this Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Text Me, and I did try out this gloss. I'm just a sucker for glosses. Like, I love a good gloss, and this gloss is like orangey and like sparkly, but if you only apply like a little bit and like dot it around with your finger, it gives like the most beautiful like shine, and like it's not super sticky, which I really like. Now the next thing I have is this Bang Beauty, once again, smoky eyeshadow. And I think that you could get like a pretty decent look with this, although there only is one matte shade and the rest is like sparkly. But I don't know, this like goldish shade here is pretty. The next thing I have in my Ipsy bag is this MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. I love getting mascaras in my Ipsy bags and my Boxycharms. I just love trying out new mascaras, and I really like all the mascaras that I've tried from MAC, so I'm excited to try this one out. Now the last thing I have is this Glow for a Cause Lip Love. I believe this is like chapstick in Flirt, I think. Maybe it's tinted. Yeah, no, it's not tinted, but it smells like very artificial watermelon. But I'm excited to try this because I like love trying out lip balms, like love lip balms. So yeah, I'm excited. So that was everything I got in my Ipsy bag and Boxycharm for this month. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I know I love watching these types of videos. So if you did enjoy watching it, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post videos every Wednesday and Sundays. Alright, bye guys.